Let's say you have set out to learn about elephants. You've read some information, found images and video, and now you want to create something to show people what you have learned. While creating your masterpiece, remember to attribute the creators of work that you are allowed to use and cite authors of text that you learned from. Doing this gives credit for work to the author. It also shows that we are allowed to use their work and have tried to look for reliable information. Attributing images requires three things: the image title, author, and licensing information. The licensing information shows if we are allowed to use the author's work or not. Citing information requires the title, the title of the source, the author, the publisher, and date. Videos are similar, requiring the title, the author, publisher or website, and date. In many cases, we put attributions with the work itself, like this, but in essays or other plain writing, citations go at the end in a bibliography, like this. So you can see here how I have done attributions for a poster. So I've got the image title, so I grabbed that from the source of information, which is Pixabay. Pixabay is a good site for finding free for commercial use and no attribution required images. I have put the image title in, I've put the author in, who is Designer Point, and I've copied and pasted the Pixabay license. I've typed in Pixabay license, and I have linked all of those parts into the attribution itself, as you can see here. Right. So that's for a poster. If I'm going to go and cite information, what I need to do is grab that website, grab the title, pop in there, grab the author, as you can see here. As you can see here, the publisher, which is DK Find Out, or you might find that the actual publisher has a name different from the website that they've created. So in this case, it's Dorling Kindersley Limited. So here I have written Dorling Kindersley Limited. And of course the date of publication, which should be always close to where the author is, there. And of course video, we have the title, which is from here, the author, the publisher, which is YouTube or Vimeo or even the website with a video on it. So it could have been DK Find Out, and of course the date of publication here. So I've done that for a poster. If we go over here to the piece of writing, you can see I've done this for my image, my writing here. Of course, as I said earlier, that goes into the bibliography down here, and the video here. That is cited in the bibliography as well. And in a presentation, I have the citations and the attributions with the content itself. So there's the video, this is the information that I've used here, and here this is the attribution for the image. To recap, attribution is about giving creators credit for their work and allowing people to use their work. Citation is about showing others that we have tried to look for reliable sources of information to aid our own learning.